Hey guys, it's Dane with DynastyBreaks.com. It's the 4th of November 2019, and we are busting a personal box of Topps Gold Label Baseball 2019 for James. That guy, ROS.
I thought it was like James R Us. I thought it was like James R Us.
Like Toys R Us?
Like Toys R Us.
No, I didn't do that.
James R Us.
All right, one gold framed auto per box. I believe that's it. That feels pretty heavy.
Justin, take it easy, buddy. Thanks. We'll see you next time.
See you, man.
I don't know what you're referring to, Bodie.
Probably me disappearing and reappearing.
Oh. Uh-oh.
All right, we'll save your pack with the framed auto for last. See what you got in the way of base and parallels. Class 1, Jackie Robinson Black Parallel. And Class 1 Black Parallel, Joey Gallo. And Class 2, Aaron Nola. Acuna, Class 3 card. Nice one there. And a 150. This is going to be a Gleyber Torres Blue, Class 1. Class 1 Gleyber. Class 1 Luis Severino, Yankees. Roberto Clemente base. And here we go.
Come on.
Framed auto.
Come on.
We have a Patrick Wisdom rookie autograph for the Rangers. There you go, Patrick Wisdom. Get that sleeved.
Oh, such good looking cards.
I love the gold framed autos, man.
They're nice.
One per box in gold label. There you go, man. Patrick Wisdom. We will get that shipped out to you. Thanks for the purchase, James. Got all your base cards here. We'll get those out. And thank you, guys. We'll stay around for just another minute or two before we sign off.